There were a couple of fights happening in South Toledo tonight. One of them took place in a boxing ring. The other, well, it hopefully brings us closer to the end of this pandemic. Roxana Elias was there to see how it all played out.
Soul City, Jaden Benson.
On one corner of the Belief Center in South Toledo, two young fighters are ready to square off. In the other corner, a different fight.
We have two different size gloves on.
This one is meant to put an end to COVID.
We are targeting the Black and Brown community to come on out and get the vaccination event. And so with their event already taking place on this date, the day after Thanksgiving, lots of folks on vacation, it's a holiday weekend for many.
Sabina Serratos with Adelante, the Latino Resource Center, says what better time and place than here.
She just turned 12. October 28th, so I couldn't get her in beforehand, and I contacted her doctor to get her in. They couldn't get her in until December, the middle of December, so I figured this would be a great opportunity.
Nayeli Torres is a dancer here. She got her first vaccine while her mother got her booster. The chief medical officer with Paramount Insurance says it's still the best way to protect yourself, even with new variants.
As you heard this morning, there was a new variant that's been identified coming from Africa, and it's still very early. So, this is the time where, scientists will be studying the variant and looking at the variant's susceptibility to vaccine.
The clinic was able to give out more than 70 vaccines. Fans were able to watch the border wars, and these Toledo area residents are doing their part in the fight against COVID.
At the end of the day, we are protecting ourselves, but we're also protecting our loved ones and those that are around us. And so in order for us to reach that herd immunity, everybody has to be in it together.
I feel like COVID is a really big thing in the world, so I feel like doing my part as a person and getting the vaccine would be helping it.
In South Toledo, Roxana Elias, WTOL 11.
Adelante saying that it is planning to host more vaccine clinics like this one, but in the meantime, it recommends that you take a look at the Toledo Lucas County Health Department's vaccine schedule. You can find a link on our website. Just click the links mentioned on air, or you can reach out to any of your community resource centers.